What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Alani and today we are playing Wolf Quest with my wolf Artemis. Today, last episode we left off with our trial mate, Renegade 73F, she's right there. And today we are going to try to look for maybe scope out den sites and just see if she is impressed with our hunting skills and everything, and make her Artemis's mate, permanent mate. So let's go ahead and get started. I already see some mule deer down there. Is that mule deer? Yeah. Let's try to hunt that for a quick snack. And then, oh, that's pronghorn. Nah, we're not gonna go after pronghorn. They're too fast. The town is this way. Okay, we're gonna actually head into town and see where we're gonna leave off from there. Let's see. Hopefully we can find either another elk herd or maybe mule deer. What's that? And let's kind of like a little snack her off for that real quick. We're not that hungry. Let me check on her hunger. No, she's fine as well. She's not that hungry. You can go ahead and see. Oh, what's this? Oh. Here is another den over here. There's also wolves nearby, so we definitely have to be more careful. Make sure that we don't run into them anytime soon. Although it wouldn't really be a problem because I feel like both Artemis and his trial mate can take them down. Especially his trial mate because she's definitely super confident. But I don't really want to risk it because she already have a minor injury, and I wouldn't want her to get a major injury because we're fighting off a pack of wolves. I think there's another den somewhere over here. Oh, I think it is right. Is this it? Yep, that's it. Okay. And then there's another den that is over here. Oh, there goes another herd. Here, I could have gave that to her, but it's fine. Oh, there goes their scent marker. Although it's not really time to take down. Okay, we're leaving. I know it wouldn't really work because it's not time to establish territory yet. I was just trying to see if I could take it down. So that way we don't have to worry about, oh, there go a moose. We wouldn't have to worry about any rival wolves coming to attack us without us knowing. Here is another den right here. That's about 4 dens. Probably find some more along the way. And let's go ahead and go over here. Alright, let's go ahead and go. We already got that den. Oh, wait. Actually, wait. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Oh, I'm pretty tired. We need to rest soon. Alright, and we made it down to another neighborhood. Across away from the town. I know for a fact that, yep, here we go. And, oh, there's an elk herd nearby, which is a good thing. Let's see if we can track down an elk herd. But I'm not really sure if we're going to really go after it, despite that our wakefulness is I'm pretty sure that's 0% right now. So we definitely need to rest. let's see. If we go this way, we are out of the territory. Yeah, this will be fine, like around here. Let's go ahead and rest, like right here. Seems like Renegade 73 has a morning howl. She's like howling almost every second she gets a chance. We'll let Artemis join. We'll go ahead and let her have this this hair. Let her have it for an early breakfast, and then we will continue on our journey after she's finished. Yep, she finished it. Let's actually we'll probably head up here, so we need to go this way. Let's go ahead and go this way. The sunset in this game is so pretty. Like, I love the sunsets and the sunrises. They're really nice. Let's go. Oh, what is this? This is a maraca. Go ahead and search for that. It is. Oh, and there's another antler. Is that an antler? Yep, that's an antler. An antler or a maraca. I think we'll go after the maraca because the antlers are pretty easy to find around in the wilderness. But it looks like we actually find the antler first. Surprisingly, where'd it go? Oh, sorry. We found an antler from an elk. Probably go ahead and store this somewhere and then come back to it at a later time. We'll definitely start collecting antlers once again, just for the fun of it. We'll go this way. Yeah, this way. We'll start heading up this way because Artemis isn't a human-friendly wolf. He doesn't mind going into town if he has to, but if he had options, he would definitely take other parts due to him having a bad experience with humans when he was a pup, and ever since then he's just been absolutely terrified of them and their buildings and weird habits. So he chooses to stay away from them as far as possible. Let's just, oh, there goes snow again. It's not an episode without snow. I mean, I don't really mind the snow, but for the last 2 episodes, it's been snowing like non-stop. It's kind of annoying, but I mean, Artemis doesn't mind, but he's kind of annoyed at the snow because his sense of smell kind of get tampered with, excuse me, because all the snow is in the way and it's messing up his nose. So he doesn't really like it, but he doesn't mind it at the same time. I don't smell anything. Oh wait, Oh, that's Meal Dare. I was hoping to find an elk here. Let's keep going. Yeah, let's just go this way, maybe. But that's also going into... Wait, what is that? Oh, it's pronghorn. I don't know. Artemis is like indecisive with pronghorn because he knows that they're easy to take down. It's just very hard to catch up to them because they're very fast. We're definitely going to put down antler here just to come back to it if we ever come across it again. But we're definitely going to try to go after a pronghorn. I don't know which one to go after. Oh my gosh, there's so many. So many. Oh my gosh, wait, okay, wait. Oh, there's one. Oh gosh, there's like so many. Okay. Oh, this is a fawn. That's actually really good. Oh, the mother. Okay, we're actually doing pretty good. Okay, just try to go after it. Maybe keep the mother distracted, and we're going to be able to take this down pretty fast. Okay. Almost done, almost done. Oh. Ugh. They're not that strong, to be honest. I thought they'd be much stronger, but I guess their speed is like the only thing that is like actually good on them, is their speed, but their strength is not so good. Come on. I'm waiting on you to attack. There you go. Oh, she's dead. I'm surprised. Artemis didn't... Oh, there you go. Well done. Renegade 773F is impressed with your strength and hunting skills and is willing to be your mate. Do you want them to be their mate? And I'm going to say yes, of course. What shall we name her? Let's go with... let's go with Horse. Alright. Let's go ahead and start establishing territory. Wow. A lot more snow. Let's go ahead and just claim this hex. Although it's already... Well, 63% is not that bad. Pretty sure we can find the scent marker somewhere. Let's go ahead and take our fill, and then we're going to continue. Let's see, so I'm full, she's full. Okay, we're going to definitely go towards the scent marker. Alright, and let's go ahead and take this over. There we go. Where is... Oh, okay. Oh, okay, we're actually leaving the hex, we're not... Oops. Let's go back, actually. There we go, okay. Let's go ahead and... Oops. Let's go ahead and claim as much as we can. We actually need to go back that way. Oh, is that a bench? I didn't even pay attention to that. I think that's a bench. Huh. It is. That's a bench. That makes me wonder what happened. This is a bench. Can I climb up there? Oh, I can. let's go ahead and... Oh, her minor injury healed. That's a good thing. Let's go ahead and give this green line. Once I've finished marking in the, or at least marking some hexes, I will get back to you all in a minute. Alright, and we are back. So basically I went ahead and I claimed a couple of hexes and I found some new dens along the way, and I'm almost done, honestly, with claiming hexes. I think I'm just get this last little chunk over here, or at least half of it, and then I think we should have enough dens, or excuse me, enough hexes to have our territory established. So I think I will finish claiming off this one and then steal this hex and then go this way along the way. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely try to steal this hex and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Let's see. So far, I don't really smell anything besides elk, actually. Oh, I do smell wolves, so they're definitely close, which isn't a good thing. Are we almost there? Oh yeah, we're almost there. Let's just go the right way. Oh, and the hex is this, or excuse me, the Saint marker is this way, but unfortunately both Arasuka and Artemis is both tired, so hopefully we don't have encounters with other rival wolves, because they don't really have a lot of energy to fight at the moment. So after claiming a couple more hexes, I will let them sleep, and hopefully we can establish the territory soon. Alright, let's go. Sheesh, looks like the Lost River is trying to take over, but I'm not gonna let them do that. I'm gonna probably claim like maybe one more hex and then we're gonna call it a day. I think we can go for a couple more, to be honest, but I don't really know yet. Definitely need to catch some type of food. Oh, they're going over den. Let's see. Where would this den be? Oh, it's definitely close, which is a good sign. If it's in the next pack territory, then I'll just take over the hex. Oh no, it's right here. That's a tree den. Oh, it's not in a bad location either. It's pretty nice. Let's just go ahead and take this hex over. That's next door, just in case. And let's go ahead and take it over. Okay, and there we go. Oops, wrong one. And there we go. I'm surprised we haven't been attacked by any wolves in this episode. Usually there's some sort of rival pack that's ready to attack, but surprisingly we didn't have to encounter that yet, which is a good thing. And the hex is now done, and with just a few more and the territory will be complete. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.